What if you could build a complete medieval interior in Blender 5, centered around the hero prop desk, presented in a richly lit, dusty atmosphere? Hey, I'm Luke, and in Blender 3D Model Medieval Researcher's Desk, I'll guide you through building a full indoor medieval workspace from start to finish, using Blender 5's updating modeling tools, UV workflows, lighting, and compositing. This course is built around a clear goal, an interior setup that feels like a real space with history. We start by building the background props and interior elements to warm up your modeling skills. Then we move on to the hero prop desk, packing it with books, scrolls, candles, and research items, and finally stage everything so the whole room supports the story. We'll take advantage of the newest toolset, like updated array features for structural and radial symmetry, improved boolean workflows for wall cutouts, and even curve to tube modifier for generating geometry with UVs already in mind. Then we unwrap like a pro, so the grain flows exactly in the right direction. We'll apply the included production-ready shaders for wood, stone, wax, and fabric. Then tweak them for the exact look that we want, including realistic candle wax with subsurface scattering. You'll still get all the storytelling details in place: books, scrolls, rope ties, seal stamps, projected decals, so you can use the same decal workflow across multiple props without rebuilding anything from scratch. But then we push the scene into that alive category. For the hanging flag, we set up a clean cloth simulation with weight painted across areas so the top stays anchored, and the subtle breeze motion gives the room just enough life without looking floaty or over animated. Now we lock in the signature look, that aged, dusty interior atmosphere. We build a dust particle system that actually moves, slow drift, subtle variation, and natural motion, so the air feels thick and lived in. And we use child particles where it makes sense, so it stays performant while still reading on camera. Then we combine that dust motion with volumetrics and lighting, so the particles catch highlights and the room gets those soft cinematic rays. But the real trick is how we add detail to the light. We use a light mask to break up the sky as if tree branches outside are partially blocking it, creating that uneven natural shadow pattern that instantly makes the scene feel real. And because you're not left guessing, the course resources include the kind of mask shaders that support this look, so you can focus on dialing in the mood and composition, not reinventing technical setups. To finish, we frame the shot with cinematic composition and depth field, polish the balance across foreground, midground, background, and render the final scene. You'll also get an in-depth look on Blender's compositor workflow, adding subtle noise, chromatic aberration, color balancing, and saving reusable composite presets for future Blender 5 interiors. If you want a repeatable workflow for building interior environments, where the hero prop reads instantly, the background supports the story, and the lighting sells the mood, this course is built exactly for that. So join now and let's build your medieval researcher's workplace in Blender 5 step by step. My name is Luke and I'll be seeing you in the course. Happy modeling, everyone!